Hello my dear students, welcome all of you to my class. Today we will continue with the first chapter of geography, and that is our environment. In previous class we have studied about the definition of environment, different elements of environment. In today's session we will discuss about the human environment, human influence on environment, degradation in environment, environmental conservations and its importance. So the question is, what is human environment? Human environment is the interaction between human beings and the environment. So environment और human beings के बीच पे जो interaction होता है उसका जो neat result है वो है human environment. So it includes buildings, roads, cities as well as the society that humans lives in. Let's move to the next topic, and that is human influence on environment. In the early periods of history, human beings were entirely dependent on their environment. They were gatherers and hunters. Gradually, as population increased, human activities like cultivation of crops also expanded. So, to meet their increasing needs, forests were cut down radically for firewood, construction, furniture, and paper manufacture. Land was cleared to set up industries. An increase in cultivable land to feed the teeming millions and to provide housing. So, human beings have adjusted their surroundings according to their needs. However, with the increase in population at an alarming rate, the demand of basic requirements such as food, house, and roads has also increased. So, therefore, human beings have started altering the environment for the fulfillment of their requirements. Farming, grazing, construction of bridges, houses, and roads, building industries, and transport systems have helped human beings survive and lead a life of convenience. So, human beings modify the environment according their needs. तो हम लोगों का जो basic needs है just like the food, house and a good job, इसके लिए हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, environment का change कर रहे हैं according our basic wants or demand. So already we discussed that we modify our environment according our needs. तो इसका जो impact है वो बहुत ही negative है. So humans impact the physical environment in many ways. Overpopulation, pollution, burning fossil fuels, deforestation. Changes like this have triggered climate change, soil erosion, poor air quality and undrinkable water. These negative impacts can affect human behavior and can prompt mass migration or battles over clean water. So for reducing this kind of negative impact on environment, we need a proper environmental conservation. A study of the interrelationship between natural and human environment is essential to identify environment related problems and find solutions for sustainable development. Environmental protection is aimed at maintaining a healthy natural environment. Judicious utilization, not exploitation, is one and only way to attain sustainable development. So what is the meaning of judicious? Judicious means careful use. Okay, the most obvious reason for conservation is to protect wildlife and promote biodiversity. Protecting wildlife and preserving it for future generations also means that the animals we love don't become a distant memory and we can maintain a healthy and functional ecosystem. So we need to follow guidelines for utilizing nature's resources in a sensible manner, keeping in mind that our resources are limited. तो बायोडाइवर्सिटी को भी प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए environmental protection या conservation ज़रूरी है. Yes children, please read that portion, people who made the differences. It is a beautiful paragraph. So Wangari Maathai is a famous Kenyan environmentalist and the Nobel Prize winner. Remember, she is not only environmentalist, she was a Kenyan social, environmental and political activist. Okay, and the founder of Kenyan's Green Belt movement. Wangari Maathai is the first environmentalist and only African woman to receive the prestigious Nobel Peace Prize. So my dear children, that's the end for today's session. We will meet in our next class with new topics. Till then, bye. Take a very good care of yourself and happy learning.